I always keep my promise. Last time I promised I'll give you solution to the problem of finding a particular character by introducing another function. And here it is. This finding a particular character in a text string. Now, look at this. We used the find function. We've used the find function. So, for example, look at this count here. SV call hyphen 85644. Suppose I want to extract 85. What should I do? I need to use now the find function in the min function, the previously what we discussed. So I'll say I take mint, then of the b6, that is the string that we are talking about, and then we find n number n letter n digit after the hyphen. So I find the hyphen where it is, then the hyphen inside the b6, and then ending plus after. That's plus one. That's the reason I say plus one. You get that particular. But I want to extract 22. So I'll extract, it will extract 8 and 5. Look at what will happen if we extract. If we extract instead of 2, we try to extract 4. So when you extract 4, there it is. It gives us 8, 5, 6, 4. And that is it. So if you want to use mint or left or right, a function like previously we discussed, and you find that it's not easy to get the particular point, like when you are using the mint, we could say that position 3, from position 3 of the string, take the following kind of extract the same number or numbers. And this in our case here, we just need to extract from the specific. So from hyphen, now we extract the numbers there, and by doing so, we can use the find function. Remember to click that addition button so that you follow me. If you don't follow me, remember you not see these kind of tips.